it's Banu here from AndroDollar.com. So today I'm here at Shangri-La Colombo, and as you guys can see, the Andro Dollar vlog is back after a very long time. So today we are gonna be attending the Huawei P30 launch event here at Shangri-La, and I'm gonna be recording this entire video using the all new Huawei P30 Pro. So all of the footage that you will see during this video will be shot with the Huawei P30 Pro, so you can get an understanding about the video quality on this device. Since the sun has already set, I think you guys will be able to get a good understanding about the low light performance on the P30 Pro in this video. So without wasting any more time, let's go inside Shangri-La and head into the launch event of the all new Huawei P30 Pro here in Sri Lanka. Actually, before we go inside, I want to show you guys something pretty cool. Alright, so you see that Shangri-La light over here? Okay, so this is the one-time zoom mode on the P30 Pro, right? So I'm actually gonna now go ahead and switch it to the ultra-wide angle mode. So this is what the ultra-wide angle mode on the Huawei P30 Pro looks like. And going back, this is the one-time mode. Then we have the 5 times mode, so I have to give it a sec to settle down. So now the Shangri-La boat is all focused. This is 5 times zoom, and then we have 10 times zoom on this. It's a bit shaky because I'm actually using my hand. I'm not using any type of stabilizer here. If you give it a sec, it actually gets focused, and you can go even further up to 15 times in the video mode when you're recording videos on the Huawei P30 Pro. So that's a fun fact. In the video mode, you can't actually zoom up to 50 times, but when you're actually taking photos, you can zoom up to a whopping 50 times, and I'll be talking more about that in my full video review of the Huawei P30 Pro, as well as the full camera guide of the Huawei P30 Pro coming soon right here on YouTube. So smash that subscribe button right now so that you guys won't miss that coverage. And let's go inside Shangri-La and let's get started with today's video. So the launch event is happening downstairs, so let's quickly head on down right into the launch event. By the way, what do you guys think about my new merch? A lot of people seem to like it. Let me know if you guys would be interested in picking these ones up. If you guys are interested, I can start up a store with these. So yeah. Just concluded, so we have an experience zone over there, so let's go ahead and check out the phones. So here we have the black color version of the P30 Pro, and I'm shooting this from the Aurora color, as you guys saw in the unboxing. Alright, so now it's time to go ahead and grab something to eat.
A few moments later.
yeah, so that's about it for the launch event of the Huawei P30 Pro. So you guys can check out my videos over at youtube.com/Andro Dollar. Definitely go ahead and check them out. My unboxing is already live. This is what happens when you have a lag. Hi buddy, hi. Yes, I'm home. Honey, my little boy. That's a good boy, Good boy. Best feeling ever. Well guys, that's about it for this video. I hope you guys found it useful. If you did, definitely go ahead and smash the like button. Subscribe for more awesome tech videos just like this in the future. And definitely go ahead and check out my Huawei P30 coverage right here on Andro Dollar. And until I see you guys in my next video, this is Banu signing out.